Today we're going to do a quick pita bread. I have about a half a cup of flour here. I'm going to add some yeast, about a teaspoon of yeast. Put in a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to use just a touch of garlic oil, maybe like 1/8 of a teaspoon, not an awful lot. And also for flavor, just a dash of salt. We're using a food processor. This is really fast. And so we'll just sift that a little bit. And then I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of hot tap water. And I'm going to pour this in slowly. I want to stop just as the dough is forming a soft ball. So I'm not going to add it all at once. I'm going to give the water a chance to work in. It's starting to turn the whole thing. You really want to add just a dash at a time. It doesn't take much for it to start to form that ball. There's the ball starting to form. So it's a really nice, soft, warm, smooth ball of dough. Let this dough rise for about 15 or 20 minutes. So when the dough has risen, pinch off about a golf ball size piece. Roll it just like that. This is a wooden press that I've designed. Press down on it a little bit. When I use this plastic liner, you'll see it makes it easier to transfer it to the cooking surface. So we'll just push down on the plate. We'll use the handle to get some leverage. There's our pita. Peel it off right here. And this is a preheated cast iron skillet. And I'm just going to lay that on there. And this is on high. Wait until it just begins to smoke around the edges. You can see that. So now I'll just lift that. You can see it's nicely browned. And once this smokes a little bit, you can take that off. If you want it to cook a little bit longer, you can turn the heat down. Let's go over here. I'm just going to cut that in half, because we can just kind of push in here. We'll put in some hummus or other filling that you would like. There you have it, a nice, hot, fresh pita. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.